There are several arguments against evolution that are often put forth by individuals who reject the theory. Lack of evidence. Some people argue that there is not enough evidence to support the theory of evolution, or that the evidence is inconclusive. The complexity of life. Some people argue that life is too complex to have evolved through natural selection and that there must be a designer or creator responsible for the diversity of life. The concept of irreducible complexity. This argument states that certain biological structures and systems are too complex to have evolved through natural selection because they require all their parts to function, and thus could not have arisen gradually. Religious beliefs. Some people reject evolution because it conflicts with their religious beliefs, particularly those who interpret their holy texts as being in conflict with evolution. Misunderstanding of the theory. Many people simply misunderstand the theory of evolution and what it proposes, leading them to reject it. It is difficult for many people to accept evolution for a variety of reasons, including religious beliefs, lack of education or understanding, and personal biases. Additionally, some people may reject evolution because it challenges their worldview, or because they have been exposed to misinformation or propaganda. Science tells us that all living things on Earth share a common ancestor and that the diversity of life is the result of gradual changes over millions of years through a process known as natural selection. The theory of evolution is supported by a vast amount of evidence from multiple scientific disciplines, including paleontology, genetics, and biogeography. However, there are still many unanswered questions about our origins and the specifics of how evolution works. For example, scientists are still working to understand how new species arise, how complex biological structures and behaviors evolve, and how life first emerged on Earth. Despite these gaps in our understanding, the theory of evolution remains one of the most well-supported and widely accepted scientific theories in the world today. In addition to the questions we have yet to answer about evolution, there are also many ongoing debates and discussions within the scientific community about the specifics of how evolution works. For example, there is ongoing debate about the relative importance of natural selection versus other mechanisms of evolution, such as genetic drift and gene flow. Furthermore, while the theory of evolution provides a compelling explanation for the diversity of life on Earth, it does not address some fundamental questions about the nature of existence, such as why the universe exists, or whether there is an ultimate purpose or meaning to life. Overall, the theory of evolution is a cornerstone of modern science, and it has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. While there are still many unanswered questions and ongoing debates within the scientific community, the evidence supporting the theory of evolution is overwhelming, and it remains one of the most robust and well-supported scientific theories in existence. It is important to note that the theory of evolution does not seek to disprove the existence of a higher power or a divine creator. While the theory provides a naturalistic explanation for the development of life on Earth, it does not necessarily preclude the possibility of a guiding force behind the universe or the origin of life. Additionally, it is important to understand that scientific theories, including the theory of evolution, are always subject to revision and refinement as new evidence becomes available. The scientific method is a process of continual questioning, testing, and refining, and theories are never considered to be absolute truths. As such, the theory of evolution is constantly being refined and updated as new discoveries are made. In conclusion, the theory of evolution is one of the most well-established and widely accepted scientific theories in existence. While there are still many unanswered questions and ongoing debates within the scientific community, the evidence supporting the theory is overwhelming, and it has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. The theory of evolution is not intended to disprove the existence of a higher power or divine creator, but rather to provide a naturalistic explanation for the development of life on Earth.